The oil industry places extreme demands upon fan drives. Long service life, low maintenance, coupled with a high level of power transmission and non-sensitivity to external influences such as temperature fluctuations and moisture are required without compromise. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Optibelt's Omega fan power timing belts satisfy these needs and more. Manufactured specifically for air-cooled heat exchangers or in fin fans in the oil and gas processing industry, the Omega fan power is wear-resistant, maintenance-free and features a level of power transmission 150% greater than standard Omega rubber timing belts. The special tooth form, constructed using aramid fibres to ensure the Omega fan power has strong shear resistance, provides up to 18 times the service life of a standard rubber timing belt. The optimised tooth shape means the belt operates at significantly reduced noise levels. In timing belts with insufficient electrical conductivity, electrostatic charges carry a risk of ignition around sparks. The Omega fan power mitigates that risk with its electrical conductivity, and each belt comes with its own individual certificate to prove its anti-static capabilities in accordance with ISO 9563. To learn more about Omega fan power, contact Optibelt on 03 8791 2700 or visit them at optibelt.com. And thanks for watching.